Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to change players in eFootball. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So in eFootball, players can be substituted during a match by pausing the game and navigating to the game plan menu. From there, you can simply select the players to be substituted and choose a replacement from your available reserves. So simply press the pause button usually found in the bottom left corner of the screen to bring up the game menu, and then navigate to the game plan option with the pause menu. Now you can simply choose the player you want to substitute. Choose a player from your reserves or available squad to replace the selected players. After this, you need to confirm the substitution and the player will be changed on the field. So this is how you can change players in eFootball. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.